everyone, welcome back to Food Diaries. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious baked salmon fillet that's perfect for any meal. Let's dive right in. First, let's take a look at our star ingredient, fresh salmon fillets. Did you know that salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health? Now, let's get these out of their packaging and ready for cooking. Next, we're going to give our salmon a quick rinse under cold water. This helps remove any residual scales or debris, ensuring our salmon is clean and ready for seasoning. Step 1. Making the herb butter. Start by crushing 5 cloves of garlic with your knife and then chop them into small pieces. Garlic adds a wonderful depth of flavor to our salmon. Once chopped, add it to a bowl. Next, we'll add 1 teaspoon of thyme to the bowl. Thyme pairs perfectly with salmon. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of butter. The butter will melt over the salmon, making it incredibly moist and flavorful. Add salt to taste and ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Seasoning is key to bringing out the best in your salmon. Mix all the ingredients together until well combined. This herb butter is going to make our salmon absolutely delicious. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to the mix and give it another stir. Lemon juice adds a bright, zesty flavor that complements the richness of the salmon. Next, we have an aluminum baking tray. Drizzle some vegetable oil onto it to prevent the salmon from sticking. Step 2. Seasoning the salmon. Place your salmon fillets onto the tray, leaving a little space between each piece. Now, spread the herb butter we made earlier onto each fillet, making sure to cover them well. Ensure the herb butter is evenly spread over the salmon. Finally, cover the tray with aluminum foil. While the salmon is getting ready, let's move on to the yams. Yams are packed with vitamins and minerals, making them a great addition to any meal. Start by washing and peeling them. Dice the yams into small, bite-sized pieces. This will help them cook evenly. Place the diced yams into another aluminum tray and drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil over them. Olive oil is known for its heart-healthy benefits. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to the yams for a touch of sweetness. Mix the brown sugar and olive oil into the yams until they are well coated. Next, let's prep the corn. Cut the corn into bite-sized pieces and place them into another aluminum tray. Step 3. Set your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and make sure the cooking time is between 15 and 20 minutes. Place all the trays into the oven. We'll bake everything for 15 to 20 minutes. It's important not to overcook the salmon to keep it tender and juicy. After 15 to 20 minutes, our yams and corn are ready. The yams look juicy and delicious, and the corn is perfectly cooked. Everything is looking so yummy. Our salmon is ready and cooked to perfection. I took it out after 15 minutes and broiled it for an additional 5 minutes. Now let's showcase our fish. It's ready to serve, and it looks absolutely delicious. Eating salmon regularly can boost brain health and reduce inflammation. You can pour the oil that came out of the fish during the cooking process onto the salmon for added flavor. I'm using a spoon to grab it from the tray and pour it on top. Look at that beautiful salmon. It's looking so yummy. And here it is, a plate with the salmon, yams, and corn all together. You can serve it like this, and it pairs wonderfully with both yams and corn. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found the recipe helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more great cooking content from Food Diaries. See you next time.